It's 7 p.m. and Tilly is fast asleep. Oh wait, what's this?
Agent Tilly, we need your help. The circus has a major problem on its hands.
What seems to be the problem, Daniel?
Oh. No time to explain. Just get here quickly, and I will meet you.
Looks like you'll best go see what's up in the circus, Tilly. Go on, wind it up, and let's go. This is strange. There's no one around. There's something in that corner, though. Quick, Tilly, run! Run! Phew! That was a close shave. Where is Mark, Martina, and Ramon? So what was that out there? What happened then?
Well, it starts off like this. We had a large group of tooth fairies visiting us today. Mark and Martina were about to perform their legendary act in which they swoop around the audience with their trapezes. Mark was swinging back when he noticed something. A tooth fairy was holding a large bag of sweets and was jumping around excitably as Mark and Martina performed. Mark had ideas, you see, and decided those sweets were his. Unfortunately, those tooth fairies wasn't impressed by his trick. Mark forgot. Tooth fairies aren't particularly nice when they're angry. And that's what happened. You haven't been able to control it, so we all decided to hide in Lionel's office.
I remember you telling me about keeping my teeth clean, Lionel. You said to use toothpaste and brush twice a day along with flossing and using mouthwash.
Ready, gang? Let's go.
Oh wow! I didn't realize bad teeth became good tooth fairies with a little cleaning.
Mark, I think you've learned your lesson, haven't you?
Uh-oh. Look at the time. Oh, we had better get you home, Tilly. Goodbye, gang.